completely different. Okay, now this is completely something completely different. So earlier I was okay, so earlier I was inspired to try by Panda. So this is my first time to try Panda. So basically, Panda has some warnings, and I created this debug system, which is D is equal to 2, D is equal to nothing, and 2, and D is equal to nothing. So basically, the idea here is that you are given a file, you parse the file, you split it up, and then send it to Panda. So, the name is test. So Python test.py and send in test.py. So this is the first D. So the first D, just print the file to show that it works, to show that test.py is outputting test.py. And now we return D false. And now it is sent to pandas. So this is pandas. And finally it's supposed to go. So this is the pandas. And it's supposed to go to plot and then to Excel, and then we run the Excel. Oh wait, sorry, this is the pandas. Tell us to read this. And this is the Excel. Oh, it did not work. You only pass. Thank you.